it's your girl Neesyraychelle, and I am back with another video. So this is part three to my Valentine's Day series. I wish I would focus, period. Okay, yeah, this is part 3 of my Valentine's Day series. As you know, I am doing a 5-part series all the way up to Valentine's Day, where you get a different look every Friday until Valentine's Day. So this is the look you about to see. So take it all in and let's get to it. Alright guys, so I got my hair slicked back because I'm about to do it. So first we're gonna go ahead and do my face. I just felt like I need to do my face first for whatever reason, since I'm not necessarily wetting my hair. So I was like, let me just do my face first. So today's look is gonna be neutral because of what I'm gonna do to my hair, so stay tuned for that. But let's get into it. So y'all already know I've been using the Secure the Blur primer by Patrick Starr, the one size primer, and I just kind of put that all over. And I hope my camera doesn't give me issues today, because I did notice, see, it's doing it, too much movement and it starts blurring. Alright, so I got that all over. We're gonna do my brows. I haven't done my brows on camera in a minute, huh? So I usually have them done already, so making a mess. So if you don't know by now, I use my Morphe micro brow pencil in the color Java, and your girl don't ever have a mirror, so we're gonna pull out handy dandy notebook and use that as a mirror. So first I'm gonna brush my brows out. They need to be done really bad, so you know, don't judge me. I'm wondering if my autofocus is on, because I think that's what the issue is right about now. Yeah. Yeah, I just broke them. I just broke my pencil. Yeah, I promise I'm going to get my brows done this weekend, because oh, I cannot with this struggle. Okay, because I am doing eyeshadow, I will use my my lighter concealer to do my brows. And this is the Fenty Pro Filter, excuse me, Instant Retouch Concealer in the color 410. And I'm using my Morphe M432 brush. All right, so now I'm just taking a little bit of my Morphe setting powder, the baking set in the color banana rich, and setting that concealer. Y'all know my rule: cream to cream, powder to powder. All right, so for the look I am doing, unfortunately my lashes won't look like this, but I can make the rest of this shake. So she just has this halo going on, a mixture of a little brown and orangish brown at the around it, and then in the middle she has like a tan taupe, or you know, whatever would be considered your neutral color for your skin tone. Now what I will not be doing is these freckles, because I don't have freckles, and we're not gonna pretend like I have freckles. So yeah. Oh, and she does have a little shimmer in the inner corner that I'm just noticing now. So let's go for it, guys. Y'all know how this go. So like I said, it looks like they started with like a lighter brown. So I'm going to go in with my Warrior by Juvia's Place palette and take the color Kano and start with that one. That looks like that's the actual exact color, which is kind of dope. I'm using this tapping motion because it helps with the color actually sticking. Alright, so now I'm going to take a denser brush, if I can find the one I want. And I'm going to take the color Mino and put that into the crease. So this darker brown is going to pretty much go right on top of that orangey brown, the rust brown color. Go back in with that lighter brown and just blend that together. Give it a nice blend. Okay, now I'm going to go in and attempt to make this like halo, but not really. And I think I just want to take a little bit of concealer and like conceal that out, because it's kind of there but not really. So let's do that, and then once we do that, we will be adding the color Ahosi, which is like this nude color. Okay, so as you can see, I kind of went a little too far over on my left, or what's this, my right eye. So I'm going to go back in with that that dark brown and just fill in my air. Just go back around it. Now I'm going to take a flat brush and add this color in. So now all I've done is kind of blended it together so it doesn't look like so separated. And y'all know me, I'm going to put a liner on, and this is not my plate. Yeah, I done figured out how to do the eyeliner and now I'm just stuck. So I'll put a little liner on. And I'm actually not going to take it all the way across. I'm only going to do like the outer part. Alright. And I'm going to throw a little mascara on. And now I'm going to do the rest of my face and I'll be back. Alright guys, so this is the final look. Kept it real simple. This is more like a casual Valentine, like, you know, real chill, like not all dressy, and you know, like maybe you had like a dinner date, like, but nothing too like fancy. So like you still giving them dressy, but like with a little, you know. So for my hair, I just did 2 ponytails, did me a little bangy bang, and then I left a little piece out in the back to just hang. For the finishing of my look, y'all know I wear Fenty. That's the only foundation I really wear. I don't venture out of that too much. On my lips, I do have on Cola for my liner. It's a Luxe liner by Juvia's Place, and I have on Madeline by NYX, and it's one of their butter glosses. So this is the lip combo. And then my lashes are I Envy, the 3D collection. It doesn't have a name, so it's KPEI 57. So I'm gonna put that there so y'all can, that's what lashes I have on. And then I'll put right here my full outfit, cause it's giving. And our scent for today is Black Opium by Yves Saint Laurent. And then my top is DD's. My leggings are DD's. My shoes are Gianni Beanie. And then this little purse is the purse that I'm carrying. So listen, y'all. If y'all carry something similar to this, make sure your man got some pockets or something. Or like if you're in a colder area, make sure you got some pockets on your jacket, because this don't hold diddly squat. It is literally just for looks. So this is the bag that I chose to pair with this outfit, and it is from Sis Get Your Bag. So yeah, that's my look, y'all. I was trying to go real simple with this one because like I know my next couple looks are going to be out the park, so try to give y'all something like simple in between, because we're finna go all out for the next couple looks. So that is it for my video. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Always stay chic, babes.